my rounds, doing my rounds. Hey, 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 just doing my rounds. My life is a failure. My wife hates me and I'll never achieve my dream of dancing professionally.
The dog says,
Attention all exhibits, please enter defense mode.
My mask!
What's the verdict, Supervisor?
Our hunch was correct, Deputy. Whoever stole this artwork is the same thief that stole my suitcase yesterday. Take those sunglasses off, we're indoors.
Sorry.
1,000 apologies for my lateness, Detective and small child.
Hey, don't call her a small child!
I am the curator of this fine museum. How may I assist you in recovering my stolen portrait of the manly and well-respected Sheriff Aloysius Bory?
Wait, Aloysius Bory? The manly and well-respected Aloysius Bory? You're talking about my pop-up! I can fix that. We found the criminal's mask at the crime scene. Seen anything like this before? I'll just slip this in.
As a matter of fact, I have. I can look into it a little further if you like.
Oh, now it's everywhere! Thanks. Any clues at all would be really helpful. Ori, get off me! Sorry. I think I've glued us together. Well, isn't that great?
Who in the name of the avant-garde art movement are you?
Oh, we're the same investigators from before.
My sticky boy. I, the only curator of the Port Aurora Museum of Replica Artwork, can assure you that I have never seen you before in my whole life.
Wait, you're the curator? Then that means the person we were talking to before was... A hobo? No, it has to be... the burglar! Commence chase sequence! They took their disguise off. Roger that. Suspect is naked. I repeat, butt naked. She's over here! No, behind you! Huh? No, the other way! Huh? Ugh, I can't see anything in here. Stop right there, briefcase thief! Ah! No, don't look at me!
Keep following me, and next time will be worse.
We lost her and the mask. We'll never track her down now. Don't speak too soon, Supervisor. The thief left a calling card. You mean like a trademark or something? No, I mean a literal calling card. Must have slipped out of her pocket.
Hey, Mom, it's me. Yeah, I'm fine. No. Mom, for the last time, I'll go back to community college once I make enough money at my current job. No, I don't want to work at Uncle Alan's celebrity cardboard cutout store. All those eyes staring at me? It'd be a nightmare. Mom, there's someone at my door. I'll just... yes?
Room cleaning!
Oh, no thank you. I'm fine. Please, just leave me alone.
Nonsense, ma'am! You won't even notice I'm there! So what's your name, ma'am? Mine's Chet. My parents named me after their dead goldfish.
I'm Whisk.
That's a pretty name. So what you in town for, Miss Whisk?
I have business here.
Oh, not here for the Phoenix Festival?
In a way, the Phoenix Festival is my business.
Really? Let me guess. You're a nut collector.
something like that.
I knew it! I mean, I can tell from your voice that you're one of them smart and important types.
You really think so?
Of course! I mean, why else would you have this portrait of Aloysius Mori, the manly and well-respected?
Chet, please leave.
Oh, I'm awfully sorry, ma'am. I didn't mean to offend you or anything.
Get out!
Wow. What a lady!
What? You fancy schmancy too good for my ice cream? It kills 99% of germs.
Sorry. We're a little undermanned today. Check in.
Actually, we're looking for one of your guests.
Miss Whisk.
What did you say?
I said, I wish there was someone as wonderful and amazing like that around here.
No one like that here, huh? Then who does that belong to?
I don't know. Lots of guests here have highly advanced cat burgling utility belts.
Story checks out, Supervisor.
Listen, bellboy.
I prefer the term bellman.
This card from your hotel was left at the scene of a burglary, so don't play dumb with us. Tell us what you know, or else.
Or else what?
Or we'll make a complaint to your regional manager.
A written complaint?
The most writtenest complaint that was ever written.
Oh, please, no! She's in room 214. Room 214.
Thank you.